Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a project? A project is a temporary effort with a specific goal, created to deliver a unique product, service, or result. It has a defined start and finish, and once that goal is achieved, the project ends, leaving behind something new or improved. For example, building a new website, launching a marketing campaign, or designing a bridge all are projects. Every project has a clear goal, defined timeline, resources, and a team working towards success. Unlike ongoing operations, a project has an endpoint. Once the goal is achieved, the project is complete. According to PMI, a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Projects help organizations innovate, adapt, and grow. They turn ideas into reality. So remember, a project is temporary, unique, and goal-driven. It's the foundation of project management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss our next PMP training video.